A HIPAA Waiver of Authorization form is a crucial document that enables healthcare providers to utilize or disclose a patient's protected health information without their express permission. Under the regulations outlined by the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, this waiver is used in specific scenarios such as research or public health situations. HIPAA safeguards the privacy of an individual's health data. Ordinarily, a healthcare provider must obtain a patient's authorization before releasing their personal health information. However, a HIPAA waiver form can waive the requirement under certain conditions, like contributing to the greater good of public health or advancing a significant research study. A HIPAA waiver form may also be used in situations like California's Right to Know law, where an individual's personal health information may need to be disclosed without explicit authorization. To use our free HIPAA waiver form, follow these steps. Download our HIPAA waiver form from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. First, you must obtain the HIPAA waiver form. This form could be available at your healthcare institution, or you can download a sample HIPAA waiver form from a reputable online source like Carepatron. Fill in the required information. You must then complete the necessary information, including details about the person or entity authorized to disclose this information. After completing the form must be submitted to the concerned authority, such as an institutional review board or a privacy board, for approval. Here is a sample of our HIPAA waiver form, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our HIPAA waiver form, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.